Hello. So this is the presentation for SPA assignment part 2 for group 181, which me, Sandeep Jain, and Gaurikant B and Ramesh are part of. So I will just explain the architecture, what we have taken up as our message flow for the implementation side. So what you see here is the chat server. So just representative of that. So we have implemented a very basic chat server, which will have two users and facilities of broadcasting messages across the users. So we have simulated like 100 messages and 200 messages for user one and user two. So I will show you the live demo for it. But right now, just think about it like these chat messages will be, in addition to going to each of the users, it will also be diverted or basically put into a topic of Kafka. And those chat messages will be keep on arriving as a stream to Kafka. And then what we have done is we have set up a Spark streaming flow, wherein for every minute, those messages are getting consolidated. So basically numbers are getting consolidated in the form of like how many messages are coming from user one, how many messages are coming from user two, and how many are getting broadcasted. So there are three categories which we are trying to capture with all the messages are coming in. So each message is associated with who has sent it or whether it was a broadcast message. So once we get that, then we send the same consolidated message like user one, this much number, user two, this much number, and broadcast message is the third number. So that consolidated message goes again to another topic in Kafka. And from there, we actually push those messages to a visualization console using Node.js and Stream.io. So basically, we try to chart them using the visualization technique. So we can see that as the messages are flowing through this whole flow, the chart gets updated in real time. So this is how we are trying to update, basically showcase the streaming functionality. So just to let you know, like there will be two parts of this video. First will be covering the first box, which I have made in the top. So there will be a chat server and messages will be simulated, and then it will be pushed to the Kafka topic. So that much part will be there in the first video, and second video will cover the next Spark streaming plus Kafka topic and visualization technique. So let's go to the demo. I will just show what are the components which we have come up with. So, okay. So these are, so this is my Zookeeper running, this is my Kafka running, Kafka one node, one broker. And we have a topic created and named test. And we are just having the consumer so that we can showcase, okay, the messages are coming to this Kafka topic. Okay, so I will just show you the various components of a chat server. So the leftmost is our Java server, chat server, which will be hosting these two chat users. And I have already put the commands for starting those users who can join through chat room. So I will just go through and so just to explain here, so this is just a client and this is the username. There's a port which I have already started on server on. And this is the number of messages which each user will send across. So user two will send 200 and user one will send 100. And some of these messages I have made sure that they will be broadcasted. So let's go through the demo. So I've given 10-second delay, and after that, the message simulation will start. So now you can see that messages are going across, and we can also see that this is the Kafka topic, which we saw earlier, which is, so these messages which are going through here are also getting pushed to our Kafka topic. And later, these messages will be consumed by the Spark streaming in consolidated form, wherein 3 categories will be defined for each minute kind of time window: user 1, user 2, and broadcast messages. So as you can see here, it's going on publishing the messages as a stream, and this will be taken up later by the Spark streaming. So that will be the second video, which we will showcase the real analytics part of it. Okay, so I think I'll stop the recording here.